Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your EPF employee portal account. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in epfindia.gov.in and press enter. You will now be taken into the official EPF India website. Now from the homepage, hover over to services and then click on for employees. Now within the services section, click on one employee and now you will be taken into the login portal. Go ahead and type in your user access number that you have set up while creating your account. Then type in your account password underneath within the password box and then enter the captcha code that you see on the screen. After entering all of these credentials, click on the sign in button and you will be logged in to your EPF account right away. In case you have forgotten your password, you can click on the forgot password option and you will be allowed to reset your credentials. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your EPF employee account. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.